So Will, I know you're a strong supporter of FIRST Robotics, and I want to thank you for that. My son, Skyler, who asked the question earlier, is on Team Caution 1492 FIRST Robotics in Arizona. This year, the teams were able to get one of 3 3D printers, one of which the Cube was an option, so thank you to 3D Systems for making that possible too. So 2 questions. Can you talk a little bit about your support for FIRST Robotics? Will we see you in St. Louis for the World Finals? And can we convince you to come to Phoenix, Arizona for the Arizona Regionals also?
I would definitely be there in St. Louis. It'll be my 3rd year in a row. As far as my passion for FIRST Robotics, if I was 12, I would beg my mom to find the FIRST Robotics team to put me on, right? That is the most exciting thing, not just for kids, but for adults. Not just for kids and adults, but for America. Not just for America, but freaking the planet, right? And I support US FIRST Robotics. Any chance I get, I'm talking about how cool that is. Any chance I get, I find myself trying to weave a collaboration between whatever it is I do and FIRST Robotics. Whether it's doing a TV show about it on ABC called I Am First, or suggesting that, you know, how can we further our support with the teams and incorporate 3D printers in championships, as well as other technologies as well. So Dean is not just, you know, a partner in my endeavors in philanthropy with the schools that we're doing around America, but he's a mentor to me. That guy is like a hero. And anytime he calls me, I'm suited and booted, ready for action.
And Dean was here yesterday, and he's a good friend. As you know, we have enabled 400 cubes for FIRST Robotics last year, and with Dean and Will and myself together, we want to put it in the hands of every team this year. So Dean was here yesterday, we talked about it, Will is committed. One way or another, we will figure out how to make it happen this year.
Any other questions? Oh, they just have their phones up. Don't your hand goes up. All right.
All right, guys. One more time, our Chief Creative Officer and good friend, the face of 3D printing.
I just want to say one last thing. In popular culture right now, that you see it a lot. You see like big companies trying to figure out what celebrity they could bring together to become a creative director for their company. I see it. So for all the skeptics that are like, uh-oh, here goes another one of those things. This isn't another one of those things. I would be doing something like this without 3D Systems because I'm passionate about teaching kids science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This just solidifies it and gives me the ability to do it quicker and more powerful. Outside of, you know, coming up with ideas for marketing and making it popular with 3D Systems, the very core of it is trying to do good in the world with it. So this is not one of those things. And I understand how noisy it is in popular culture when celebrities hook up with companies and how ugly and fake it could look. This is it couldn't be any more opposite. This is authentic because the core of it, like I said, is around philanthropy and getting kids up to speed with STEM. And I salute this young man right here for dedicating and disciplining himself. And the first person to ask questions, the world looks better tomorrow because of people like you, and I congratulate you on your discipline, because you could be doing a whole bunch of other stuff that teenagers or young kids are doing, and you're here in the middle of a wonderful transformational tornado, and I salute you.